Today we are going to be covering the Eye and Lip Beauty Box, brand new Artistry Studio Tokyo collection, and they are gorgeous. So first of all, gorgeous packaging, of course. Let's take a look at the shades. Oh, I just dropped a thing out of there. So this one, 5 eye shades, 5 lip colors. Okay, so that's one of them. And then there's another one. We have more of a neutral one over here. And we've got our 5 eye shades and our 5 lip colors here. And the cool thing about these beauty boxes is that on the back, it tells you exactly how to use it and where it goes. So it tells you the first shade is for the crease area. The second shade is for the lid. The third shade can be used up top here by your brow. The 4th shade can be used down here. And then the 5th shade can be used as, an eyeliner or whatever. So like I said, let's take a little tutorial. So the first shade they're saying can go all over. The second shade they're saying go right in this area. 3rd shade up top, which is like a highlighting color. 4th shade can go again down by the by the eyelashes. And then the 5th shade obviously can be used all over as an eyeliner. And then all the different shades of your lips are over here. This one I'm really excited about. You guys know I love color. Keep dropping these. So again, look at these blues and purples. How fun is that? Can you imagine? I cannot wait to do some tutorials with you all and show you just some different ideas of how these will all look together. But I thought that these shades were absolutely gorgeous. So in each palette, there are 5 eye shades and 5 lip shades. And they are directly competitively priced with Urban Decay and with Clinique. And so that's always been our top competitor, and that's always where we've stayed. So I think you guys are gonna love it. And these beauty boxes are only $39, which I just can't even believe. So again, right in there with our competition, Urban Decay and Clinique, and you get all of this. How cool. Anyway, absolutely gorgeous. Can't wait to get my hands on it and show you guys. So March 11th, Artistry Studio Tokyo.